we have our M1010VL sun blanket. Your monogram will go here. Add 2 sheets of tearaway and 1 sheet of solvay. Slide the sun blanket and 2 sheets of tearaway backing onto a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame, aligning the top 1.5 inches up from the tassel with the top edge inside of the frame. Use our custom centering jigs to find center. Rotate monogram 180 degrees. Trace the sewing area to ensure your monogram fits inside the frame. Hang a weighted item from the frame to prevent excess shaking and uneven stitching. Now you can begin sewing. All of the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesaleboutique.com. Our medium weight tearaway backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. When your sew is complete, remove product from frame and tear away the backing. There you have a finished product. Click the links in the description below to view the items used in this video.